Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, church family, whenever you'll be watching this video. I want to extend an invitation to you for a garden party um, of sorts. Next Sunday, July 19th, New Hope will be doing a garden dedication for the Oakland Community Garden. It has been a wonderful sight to see here at New Hope, and many have been blessed by it already, both serving and working in it and recipients of the fruits and vegetables that have come forth from the garden. And so next Sunday, immediately following our morning worship service here at New Hope, we will all go to the garden, weather permitting, and we will have a short dedication there. If the weather does not permit, we will have it in the sanctuary. And again, this will happen right after worship. So I know many of you are still staying in and staying safe. And as the numbers continue to climb here in the state of Georgia, my prayers are with you and for you. And just praying that we will all, as a church community, do what we feel led to do, wear masks, again, for the sake of others, more so than for ourselves, and just keep showing the world the Christian a witness of love for God and for them. So again, I hope you'll be able to come, and we'll be doing that 8 days from now. So looking forward to seeing you, and I really can't wait until we can all be back together here at the church. But until then, let's keep each other in our prayers, and just know that your minister loves you very, very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.